in the dark again. I am going to give you the light, and whoever is going to believe me, atakuwa ameponywa. Today I celebrate, and I am happy to announce the healing of Uhuru Kenyatta from cancer because of protecting Gen Z. Kwa sababu haku hijack man. How I came to know that the face of Raila Odinga had a trouble. How many people watched Professor Makau Mutua on the viewing of the body of Raila Amolo Odinga? Mark has said, ule mtu alikaa na baba 2022 hadi AU ilikuwa Professor Makau Mutua. So, Professor Makau akiangalia mwili ya Raila, I had 3 faces. Alikuwa na face ya kwanza, ya pili na ya tatu. Hapo ndo niliona there is somebody who mumekaa na wewe na yeye all that time, he cannot recognize your face. Na hapo ndo niliona there is something. Again, Professor Makau Mutua ni Rastafari, hata alikuwa na rasta. Na baba Raila Amolo Odinga alikuwa anapata reggae, anapenda reggae. Where did President William Ruto know the best song of Raila Odinga? Yenye alimbisha mazishi ya Raila. Una get? And the last thing is, as I finish, it is 3 people. And today I'm going to give an ultimatum of 3 days to represent what they are doing. Gachagua, Ruto and Kindiki, you have become the most wicked people in this country. And I want to tell you today, you have 3 days to produce the eyes and the brains of Raila Amolo Odinga. Yes. You have 3 days to produce the body of Raila Amolo Odinga. Because what I am saying, and I want to tell Kenya, I am telling you, Sawa, and to make what I am saying evident, I am giving the Kenya Defense Forces and the court 3 days to order for the execution na kuchumbuliwa kwa kaburi ya Raila, tuone ni nini iko ndani. Na mimi naambia wa Kenya, kile kitu imezikwa Bondo si mwili wa Raila, ila ni maska, ni hizi mannequin. And I want to have a proof of that. I have a proof of that. This is the proof. Na mimi kenye nasemanga imeshasemwa hapa. Maka amekuwa hapa akatuambia the person who was with Baba from 2022 until AU. Yes. I want to